Instead of accessing your website, your blog with the IP and port, I'm going to serve it behind the real domain and remove this access from my Hetzner firewall. To serve blog instance on HTTPS port and port 80, I will install Nginx proxy server. Okay, now Nginx is working and we have to configure our ghost to be served on the domain. It will be HTTP and HTTPS. I created for this demo subdomain on my blog, and this will not work currently because Nginx isn't configured. And I also configured the full SSL encryption, meaning that I need to have SSL certificates installed on this server for this to work. For HTTPS serving to work, I created a new origin certificate and I installed it on this server. Next, what I need to do is set the configuration for this subdomain. Let's call it. This means it will only serve the 443 HTTPS. For HTTPS, it needs these certificates. And all of the requests from domain are going to be proxy passed to the 2368 port where Ghost instance is running. Verify that the configuration is alright. And restart Nginx. And there you have it. Now Ghost is serving on this subnode domain. One more thing that you need to configure in Ghost. Go to production configuration and instead of this, try changing it to your domain name. And we don't want Ghost to respond to any other host except localhost or on 27001. And for the changes to take effect, I need to restart Ghost. Oh, I made a mistake somewhere. Okay, that's my mistake. Restart the test. And now your Ghost instance is running on localhost. It is not accessible via IP and port. And also Nginx is configured to proxy pass to Ghost instance when you go to this domain name. And this domain is mapped to the IP address of the server.